Hi, I'm Mary Lyman, owner and founder of MedConRx. I've traveled all over the United States over the past 7 years consulting for medical offices, and everywhere I've gone, I've been asked to do some type of training. As a result of these requests, I've put all of my training in an online program, and I'm offering this training to medical offices at a very reasonable price. Because I've made this training program very economical, individuals can take this training during downtime very easily. I have really developed this training to fit the needs of a very busy office. And because this training is online, the costs are much less than sending staff members or managers to conferences or paying for personal training in-house. We have taken advantage of today's technology to assist training your medical staff members. I realize that our employees are the most valuable and yet the most expensive resources in our offices. I also understand how difficult it is to adequately train staff members regarding the multiple processes and regulations that occur in any medical practice. In fact, most staff members, especially those who work at the front desk or some of our managers, are really trained by fire. In other words, minimal training actually occurs. This type of training leads to unhappy patients, missed revenues, and broken down processes. The MedConRx training has been developed to assist managers to know how to manage the multiple processes that occur daily in any medical office, and to teach front staff members not only how to perform their jobs, but why their jobs are so very important. We also take into consideration the patient and ensuring that your office maintains a patient-friendly environment. Our MedConRx training can be utilized in the following ways. The courses create standard training where every staff member hears the same message. The training can be customized to include your organization's important policies and procedures. The training is modular, so there is some type of training for every job description. We recommend that all employees take the training once you sign up. This training should be part of every new employee's orientation. This training can be used to enforce or refresh employees regarding problem areas or broken down processes. This training can be used to improve an employee's job performance when problems occur. Your organization will have access to any new training materials that are developed over time. And your managers will have access to your individual training data. This way you can monitor how well your employees are doing. Of course, all of our training modules are taught by seasoned healthcare professionals who understand medical offices and today's healthcare environment. There are benefits to subscribing to the MedConRx training. You will have increased productivity, reduced legal liability, increased patient satisfaction, and of course increased employee satisfaction. You will have more efficient accounts receivable and cash flow management, and a reduced compliance risk. You will lastly have an office that runs efficiently in a patient-friendly environment. This is an up-to-date method of training your medical office staff in a convenient and inexpensive way. This is a great way to train your staff in today's healthcare environment. Call us today or email us for more information or pricing regarding our MedConRx training program.